Awesome. So welcome to my gallery. I call this the Temple of Drag, and it is dedicated to all things silly and sparkly and pink and cross-dressy because I am developing a game about bearded drag queens who fight over cash tips that rain down from the sky. So all of these characters that you see on the walls here are actual playable characters from the game. And then that takes us towards the main hall, the giant lipstick tower in the center. And we have a couple of videos of gameplay here on the left and the right. And then as we go around the back, we have a couple of magnets that I'm selling just as merchandise. Just kind of some little things like that. And I'll have t-shirts later on that I'll post as well. And then back here, I actually have a link to the digital storefront where you can buy the digital copy of the game and play it with friends. So I'm just really excited to showcase my work through Mozilla Hubs and to be able to present it at DIY Fest.
What platform is your game available for?
Currently it's for PC, but I'm working to port it to the Nintendo Switch and to other consoles as well.
That's great, and we can purchase it just through the link here?
Yep. Yeah, if you just mouse over it and then click Open Link, it will take you to the digital storefront.
Awesome.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoy your time here. If you need to get back to the main DIY Fest page, you can go back to the entrance and there will be a link just like the storefront link, so you'll just mouse over it.
Great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.